Okay, we're on to sketching the graph of y equals 200 x plus 1500. This is equation to graph practice. And here's our second question. Okay, so you should be pretty comfortable with this. So I'm just going to quickly draw our axes. You get y, x. Okay, let's do a little table. X, y. When x equals 0, what does y equal? 1500. Getting easy now. When y equals 0, what does x equal? Well, 0 equals 200x plus 1500 minus 1500 equals 200x. For x equals minus 1500 over 200. So we can cancel out the zeros, it becomes minus 15 on 2. So minus 15 on 2. And for those of you, that's about minus 7.5. Those of you who are interested. So, we can do it like this. This would be 1500. 0, 1500. And I know, it doesn't have to be the same scale. And let's make this minus 7.5. Okay? So, yeah, it's important to note that the x scale can be different to the y scale. It wouldn't make sense. If I tried to put 1500 here, 7.5 would be tiny. So we have to make them different. So like this would be 15 minus 15, this would be minus 22.5, whereas this would be 3000. Okay, so now to draw the graph, just draw that line. Yep, I didn't draw it straight through, so let's try again. Okay, now when x equals 5, what does y equal? So x equals 5, we sub 5 into there. Y equals 200 times 5 plus 1500. Equals 1000 plus 1500 equals 2500. So when x equals 5, we can put this point over here. 5, the y value is 2500. Pretty easy. Not too bad. So try for this one. So note that we mixed up the order now. Now there's a minus 12.5x, but this is also equal to minus 12.5 first. It doesn't matter which one comes first. It's the same thing. It's still a straight line. So we'll graph this. Okay. Let's do it x, y. X equals 0. What does y equal? Well, we get 100 minus 12.5 times 0, which is 100. Okay, when y equals 0, because we need the x and y intercepts. 0, so we sub it in, was 100 minus 12.5x. Just going to write that from the first one because it was y equals. Yep, 12.5x equals 100. X equals 100 divided by 12.5. And what's that? If you use your calculator, you get 8. Another way to do it is 12.5 fits into 25 twice, and 25 into 100 4 times. So it becomes 2 times 4. That's how many times it fits in 8. 8. So let's plot this. So when x equals 0, y is 100. When y equals 0, x is 8. Let's make this 8. So now we have a negative gradient. And that makes sense. We can check because we're expecting something to go into this direction. Because as x gets larger, y gets smaller. And that's what's happening here. And finally, what value of x does y equal 50? So if y equals 50, we just sub that in. 50 equals 100 minus 12.5x. Okay? Just trying to solve for x. Sub y equals 50. Now, we take the 12.5x over. Because I don't like negatives, I want to bring it over to this side. That's positive. I'm going to bring this 50 over to the other side. 100 minus 50 equals 50. So x equals 50 divided by 12.5, which is 4. So over here, the x-axis halfway along, it's about 4. That point will be 450. Okay. So I hope that helps you sketch linear equations. Yeah. We're going to go show you how to convert graphs to equations in the next video.